example, like now X is a variable, but X has to contain a value. So the value can be 5, 6, something. So I put X is equals to what? 5. X is equals to 5. So this is showing us a variable. Now I can have inside again, I say name is equals to joy. So this is another one again. Yeah, another type of variable, a different kind of variable. And this is a variable that shows that it's a string. This variable here shows as an integer. A string and an integer. So you're seeing that there's a difference between a string and an integer. And if I'm going to run this, I'll write print the value of X If I print the value of X, see, it's going to tell me, okay, let me clear everything in here. So let's run it again. So you see, right now, the value of X is 5. So I made a mistake. Let me put equals to so you can better see what I'm doing. So, but to run it again, so you see the value of X is equals to 5. So if I'm saying the value of Y, I'll see the value of Y. So the value of Y is going to be, so I'm going to clear everything here again. Let's see the value of Y. Oh, there's no Y. It's name. The value of name. The value of name, I'll put in my name here as so this is a variable already. So I run it. Okay. So you see the value of name is equals to joy. So you see that that's how to assign value to a variable and then calling it. Then let's talk about comments. This is a comment. If you want to have a comment can be inline or above. So you can have inline comments. You have a single comment. Okay, I can have a multiple line comment. So this is, I can put my comments right there. So I'm going to use asterisk the hash. I'll say this is a integer. This is an integer variable. So you see, I put it aside. So this is a comment. Showing that the comment, and this also can signify, and also at the same time put the space here and right on top of it. I said the value of the string variable is joy. I'll show that. So yeah, I'll say so the essence of you having a comment is to explain your line of code. To explain your line of code is a readable code that can never be executed. So I will show it to you right now. So when I run the code, everything I'm writing here will never show as my output because they are not executable, but they are readable to the reader, to the coder, so they can better understand what they have written. So so yeah, I'll write printing out the value of the variable. So I'll put it here. So that shows that. So when I run I run my code, you see only the output comes out and not necessarily all of the information I wrote in this place. So now all of this that I've done right here are all a single line comment. So if I'm going to do a multiple line comment, this is how it's going to be. So I'll write everything right here. I'll say this is a comment written. This is a comment written in more than just one line of code. Which I just one line, just like that way. So this is an example of what a multiple line code, and this is an example of what a single line code. So that's the difference between each format of comment. So this is a multiple line comment, single line of comments. Yeah.